Hello and welcome. Once you understand how to operate the basics of ChatGPT, you will be able to overcome a blank screen when you need to produce content or you need to produce elements in your business that would otherwise be difficult to construct from scratch. At the same time, you must realize ChatGPT's limitations. It does generate incorrect information. It also might produce information or lines or content that may be harmful to your brand or harmful in general. It also is limited to the content that was on the internet. Now, as of the recording of this video, ChatGPT is limited to the world and events as of 2021. That could change by the time you are looking at this video. Regardless, there are limitations. And so in your production of artifacts for your business, you're going to want to focus on accuracy and citation when you can. But ChatGPT will help you to overcome a blank screen. And that is what we will do in this course, is to undertake the writing of a sales presentation of an information product that you have created. Now, this will not take the place of a personal sales letter, nor will it take the place of a professional copywriter. What it will do is to help you if you have a blank screen in front of you. And so we will start undertaking this process in the next video and in this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.